Here at Dental Health of Vienna, we see people every day that clench and grind their teeth and are slowly destroying their smile, their ability to eat and chew comfortably, and eventually the jaw joint is broken down. We tend to make what is called a night appliance or a night guard or a grinding appliance so that they can protect themselves, tear up plastic rather than their own teeth and soft tissues. Some people think we're talking about a football mouth guard from Walmart. No, we're not. This is a completely different process. This is a precision-made, precision-designed mouthpiece for you. Our patients tell us that it becomes their pacifier. After they've worn it for about 30 days, had a couple adjustments, they love it, they can't sleep without it, and they wonder how they lived without it for so long.